Okay, are you getting this error that says unsuitable codec? So I'll show you how you can fix this with the HyperDeck Plus. So all you have to do is click the menu, and then you have to go, let me check again, here you have to set here, and then you go down, codec, press set again, and then you have to keep scrolling down, and then you will have everything else. So as you can see, if you choose anything else, it's going to work. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You're going to have some issues. So for instance, if you leave it in ProRes LT, set, and then you can go back, and then now you can record, and that's it. That is how you fix this. I would recommend you to pick up the other one. I mean, if you have to buy this, I would recommend you to buy the one that is 4K, so that way you can utilize, you know, H265 and 264. Otherwise, this product it has that issue. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, let me know in the section below. See you next time.